What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Crowd Pleaser channel. My name is Mike. If you're new to the channel, you've probably seen Ryan on here a lot with his Cadillac. I have a Mustang. You can probably hear it running in the background right now, but I just want to let you guys catch up on what's going on with the Mustang. I posted a video about 6 months or so ago, so haven't been too good about posting a lot of videos, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated here. I'll walk you over to the car, let you hear it run for a second. Just started it for the first time in probably 2 months. So it's really cold, but here you go. Car is a 1999 Mustang. The top end's built, ported PI head, stage 2 comp cams, full bolt-ons, 24-pound injectors, full exhaust. The hood's off because I'm about to pull this motor, which is the main reason this video is up. I got somebody to buy this 2-valve motor, and I have this Coyote sitting right here. I got this Coyote out of a 2014 F-150. Supposedly the guy I bought it from said it has no compression on cylinder 8. We haven't done a compression test ourselves yet, but we're going to be tearing it down anyways, so I wasn't too scared to buy it. Only paid 600 bucks for it. For those of you guys that are familiar with Coyote Swaps, that's a pretty fair deal. Last time you guys saw me on the channel, I was talking about my new front end. I got the UPR chromoly tubular K member, control arms, their coilover kit, and I did install all that. I just didn't record it. So once I get the motor out, I'll shoot another video and show you guys what all that looks like under the car, because it looks really good. Weighs a whole lot less and made the car a lot nicer underneath. So shut this off so I can talk to you guys a little bit more. Got the Mach 1 dash in this car, some carbon fiber components inside. The car was dead when I first started this morning, so hopefully it starts back up after I shut it off. All right. So, like I said, I'll be pulling the motor because I got someone to buy it. My plans for the Coyote Swap are going to be a turbo setup, tear the motor apart, obviously, see what's wrong. I'm assuming it's a valve issue because when I bought the motor, I turned it over right there in the parking lot with the guy standing there, and it turned over just fine. So I got some things to decide there, what we're going to do internally wise. Obviously, once I tear it down and find out what that cylinder looks like, we'll be doing head work, get some cams from MMR or somewhere like that, and then probably a good size single turbo somewhere in the 70 millimeter range. Probably put it on E85. We're going to do a Holley standalone system, and probably that's it for the first round of the Coyote build. Like I said, my car is a 99. It does have 270,000 miles on it. I daily drove this car through high school. My parents helped me get the top end built when I was 17 years old. I've had this car since I was like 16 and a half. So it's been a northern car its whole life. It does have some rust in some spots, so that's a big part of this swap too. Deciding what we're going to cut out, how we're going to do it, or if I should just go about getting a clean roller somewhere. You can see like right there on the fender, there's some rust there, but probably end up keeping the car because this was my first car. Probably end up keeping it forever. So, but if I can find a clean roller for cheap, I wouldn't be opposed to it. Kind of sad to see this motor go because, like I said, it's the first thing my parents helped me build. I daily drove it for all those years and it's done me good, but time to move on to bigger and faster things. So once I get this motor pulled, probably next week, I'll shoot a video of under the car showing you guys the new subframe setup and all that, coilovers and all that. You can see the Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates. It looks really good under there. Saved a bunch of weight, but just wanted to update you guys on the video, tell you a little bit about the Coyote Swap. Hopefully you'll be excited for that, because I'm pretty excited for it. It'll be different. I was going to go LS swap, but my buddy Ryan that you see on the channel with the Cadillac actually found this guy on Facebook and sent it to me, and it was too good of a deal to pass up on. Plus, it'll be pretty neat to keep a Ford motor in the Ford car. Everybody LS swaps these. There are some Coyote swaps out there, but not as many as LS swaps, so be a little more challenging. That motor's a little different, you know, dual overhead cam. LS swaps are easy and cheap. That motor's expensive to build, so we'll see how it goes. But for now, just wanted to update you guys on the car, and I'm gonna pull it back in here, so I'll drop you guys behind it, let you listen to it while I pull it back in here, and I'll give the neighbors one last rev too. So hopefully it starts back up like I said it was dead. So that's the last time you guys will be here in the car like that. Last time the neighbors will be here in the car like that. Next time they hear it, it'll be hopefully up on the two-step with the turbo setup on that Coyote. So anyways, if you guys have any questions about this car, the current setup in it, the setup that's going to come, or have any advice to offer on the Coyote setup, please feel free to drop a comment. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Ryan brings a lot of content with the Cadillac. He had a LSA swap CTS V1. Now he's doing a twin turbo setup on it, putting a tube front end on it. So pretty wild car, pretty quick car. This car should be pretty nuts when it's done. Like I said, it is rusty, so we'll probably cut out the rear end of this car and do a mini tub kit. Hopefully it'll be caged by the end of this year. Try and do the Team Z front end kit, the tube front end kit, and yeah, that'll be it. So make sure you guys subscribe to us. Like I said, if you have any questions, comment below. Go follow us on Instagram at Crowd Pleaser Performance. And that's it for now. See you guys later. Thanks.